we civil society organizations under the banner of the National Integrity Alliance, NIA, express our strong objection to the recent nomination by President William Ruto of Mr. Nurdin Haji, the Director of Public Prosecutions, to head the National Intelligence Service because of Mr. Haji's compromised track record and failure to fulfill his constitutional obligations while serving as the DPP. Mr. Haji has in the past demonstrated gross misconduct, incompetence, and non-compliance with the Constitution of Kenya, specifically Chapter 6 on Leadership and Integrity, the Public Officer Ethics Act of 2003, the Leadership and Integrity Act, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions Act, and the Decision to Charge Guidelines of 2019.